I asked ChatGPT how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, how to bypass Microsoft account, and can my smartphone LG V60 record video in 8K? And you know, I was shocked because the answers were quite helpful. On the other side, not all of them were correct and relevant. So let's figure it out. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. How to use it? First of all, you need to go to the AI official website. After that, you just need to sign into your account. For this, you can use email, Google account, or even Microsoft account. It all depends on you. Today, I will share my thoughts on this software. How does reliably it provides information? Let's get started. So friends, we are in the Windows. For the beginning, we need to open our browser. For the example, I will open Google Chrome browser, click on it, and then we need to type next, ChatGPT, and press enter. On this page, you may see information about ChatGPT, and if you scroll down a little bit, here you may see ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. So scroll down up, and we need to click here on this link, openai.com. Link will be in the video description. Click on it. We are on OpenAI official website, so we need to scroll down a little bit. And here you may see try ChatGPT. You need to click on it. My friends, on this page you can create your account, and actually you have 3 ways to do this. You just need to type your email, then you will be able to register your account. Also, you can log into your Google account or Microsoft account. My friends, we are finally in ChatGPT. Actually, we can just ask question here. But before we start asking question, I want to mention some important things. First of all, we can see ChatGPT's capabilities. Remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. If we look here, we see limitations of ChatGPT, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Literally, that's mean if we want to ask about some operating system that was released in 2023, we will not get answer on such a question. For the example, I will type, what is Tiny 11? Press enter. Wait a few minutes. As you can see, it already gave us answer, but if we read and pay attention, we can see Tiny 11 is microcontroller chip. Actually, it's not about operating system Tiny 11, but we can try to ask about Tiny 10. So let's type, what is Tiny 10? And press enter. And we see the same problem. Tiny 10 is microcontroller. So friends, I want to mention one important thing. Sometimes ChatGPT give me the correct answer about Tiny 10. Probably you will write me in the comments that Tiny 10 was released in 2022, and that's why I don't see any correct information about this operating system. But the thing is, today I already asked in GPT chat about Tiny 10, but then it gave me the correct answer. It said that Tiny 10 is modified Windows 10 that was made by anti-dev development team. Okay, let's try to ask about Windows 11. How to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. Ctrl V and press enter. As you can see, it generating answer, and finally we get answer. However, if you still want to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC, here are some general steps that you could try at your own risk. First, check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. You can find the minimum requirements on the official Microsoft website. So actually, I know this information, but we want to know how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. We ask this question to ChatGPT because our laptop or computer doesn't meet the minimum system requirements. Let's go forward, download the Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft website, create a bootable USB drive using the ISO file using a tool such as Rufus or Windows USB DVD download tool. Enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot in the BIOS setting of your PC if they are not already enabled. Boot your PC from the bootable USB drive and follow the installation process for Windows 11. During the installation process, you may encounter a compatibility error message. To bypass this, you can use a tool called Regit to modify the registry setting. However, this is not recommended. So let's get it clear. How ChatGPT helped me to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Actually, it tells us about basic thing that everyone know, how to enable TPM 2.0. But if my laptop or computer doesn't support TPM 2.0, we don't have any information how to bypass it. In my opinion, this method is useless because ChatGPT literally just told me about system requirements, TPM 2.0 and some tool, but I don't see step by step how I need to do this. Okay, let's try to ask another question. For example, how to run Windows to go from USB stick. For people who don't know, Windows to go is a portable Windows 8, 10 or 11 which you can run from your USB stick. And I will ask ChatGPT how to do this. How to run Windows to go from a USB stick. Press enter. Connect a USB drive to your computer that has at least 32 GB of storage space. Open the control panel and select Windows to go. Select the USB drive you want to use and click Next. Choose the version of Windows you want to use and click Next. You'll need a Windows to go certified version of Windows to use this feature. Choose the installation option you want to use and click Create. This will start the process of creating a portable version of Windows on the USB drive. Once the creation process is complete, restart your computer and enter the BIOS setting. Change the boot order to boot from the USB drive. Save the changes and exit the BIOS setting. Your computer should now boot into Windows to go from the USB drive. As you can see, if we type to go, we really have some option, change Windows to go startup options. And you know, I see this for the first time. Do you want to automatically boot your PC from a Windows to go workspace? As you can see, sometimes it can give you some useful information. Okay, now let's ask about Microsoft account. How to bypass Microsoft account in Windows 11. So actually Windows 11 already was in 2021, so we can ask a question and it will be relevant for this time. So let's check if this answer is relevant. During the initial setup process, when you are prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account, select offline account instead. In my opinion, this tip is useless because Windows 11 doesn't give you no more this option to select offline account so easily. The thing is, people watching videos how to bypass Microsoft account in Windows 11 because they don't see this option offline account, and as I previously said, this advice is useless. Okay, and finally, let's ask question about my smartphone. I record video on it and I want to ask, can my smartphone record video in 8K? Enter. The LG V60 doesn't have the capability to record video in 8K resolution. So I recommend to check the same information in the Google. Can LG V60 record video in 8K? Voila! what do we see here? The LG V60 has the best video chops of any LG phones yet, as it can capture 8K resolution recording. My smartphone can record video in 8K. For some reason, I don't know why, but we have information that LG V60 can record only 4K 60 frames per second. In my opinion, ChatGPT is quite useful software, but it needs updates because sometimes it gives incorrect information. Frankly, we live in a time when everything changes, and this software only provides information until 2021. So as I previously said, it needs an update. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it. And if you want to know how to run portable Windows 11 on any computer, I recommend to click here on this video.